Today we'll be talking about energy conservation of energy theorem. Some key components of energy conservation of energy theorem is speed, change in position with respect to time with no sense of direction. An example of units for quantity is meters per second. Mechanical energy. The type of energy is associated with the motion and position of an object. Elastic energy. This is the type of energy is associated with spring because spring can stretch and compress. Heat. This type of energy causes the object to rise in temperature. Thermal energy is the type of energy causing an object to rise in temperature, but in a result of heat transfer. Chemical energy is energy stored the bond of chemical compounds, atoms, and molecules. The work energy theorem is W net equals change in energy K, which also equals energy K, comma F minus E K, comma I. Transformation is when energy changes into another type. Kinetic energy in physics, the kinetic energy of an object is the energy that is possessed due to its motion. Work, force multiplied by displacement. I like to say force in motion. Hooke's law.
Excuse you, teacher.
Hooke's law is a principle of physics that states that the force needed to extend or compress a spring by some distance is proportional to that distance. Conservative force, the work that depends on only the initial and final position of an object. It is not path dependent. Electrical energy is defined as an electric charge that lets work to be accomplished. An example of electrical energy is power from a plug outlet. Conservation of energy is energy that can neither be destroyed nor created, but it can be transferred. Non-conservative forces, work that takes into account the total distance traveled. It is path dependent. An example is friction. Potential energy is the type of energy that is stored. Friction is an opposing force which causes chemical energy to be lost. It is a result of two surfaces in contact with each other. Pendulum, it is a weight suspended from a pivot so it can be pendulum. It is the weight suspended from a pivot that can be swing freely. Efficiency, the work you can divide by another type of energy you put in. This quantity is unitless. Solar light energy is energy from light depending upon the light frequency of waving. It is high in energy or low energy. This causes electrons in solar panels to dislodge, which creates movement of electrons. Movements of electrons is electrical current.